Hello, friends. Have you ever wondered about the causes of water pollution? It's a topic that's more relevant now than ever before, as it affects every corner of our planet. In this video, we will journey through the murky waters of this environmental issue. We'll explore the main culprits behind water pollution, understand its impacts on our world, and finally, we'll discuss practical ways to prevent it. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into the causes and effects of water pollution. So, what exactly causes water pollution? Well, the sources of water pollution are numerous and varied, each contributing their own unique drop to this overflowing bucket. Let's dive into some of the main culprits. One major cause is industrial runoff. Factories, power plants, refineries, they all generate waste that often finds its way into our water systems. These wastes can contain harmful substances, such as heavy metals and toxic chemicals, which can contaminate our rivers, lakes, and oceans. Imagine your favorite beach or fishing spot being spoiled by these pollutants. Not a pretty sight, is it? Now let's turn our attention to urban development. As our cities grow and sprawl, we're replacing natural landscapes with concrete and asphalt. These surfaces don't absorb water, leading to increased runoff that can carry pollutants from roads and buildings into our waterways. Add to that the untreated sewage and wastewater that often gets discharged directly into rivers and streams, and you've got a recipe for water pollution. And then we have agricultural practices. Modern agriculture relies heavily on fertilizers and pesticides to maximize crop yields. However, these substances can leach into groundwater or be washed away by rain, ending up in rivers and lakes. Additionally, livestock farming produces a significant amount of waste, which can also contribute to water pollution if not managed properly. Last but not least, let's not forget about littering and plastic pollution. Every piece of plastic that gets tossed aside, every cigarette butt that gets flicked into a gutter, they all add up. These pollutants can choke our waterways, harm wildlife, and even enter our food chain. In essence, water pollution is a complex issue with multiple causes, and it's happening right in our backyards. We're all part of the problem, but that also means we can be part of the solution. These causes have far-reaching effects on our environment, which we will discuss next. The causes of water pollution have some shocking effects on our environment. Water pollution doesn't just mar the beauty of our rivers and oceans. It has profound, far-reaching consequences that impact us all. One of the most immediate and tangible effects of water pollution is water scarcity. When our water sources are polluted, they become unsafe for consumption. This results in a decrease in the amount of drinkable water available to us, causing a shortage that can affect both humans and wildlife. In fact, nearly 1 in 3 people worldwide lack access to safe drinking water, and polluted water kills more people each year than all forms of violence, including war. Another effect of water pollution is its contribution to climate change. Polluted water often contains high amounts of methane and carbon dioxide, both potent greenhouse gases. When these gases are released into the atmosphere, they trap heat, contributing to the warming of our planet. This exacerbates the already critical issue of global warming, leading to more frequent and severe weather events such as hurricanes and droughts. Lastly, water pollution can lead to rising sea levels. How so, you may ask? Well, when pollutants such as plastics and heavy metals enter our oceans, they can alter the chemistry of the water. This can lead to increased temperatures, which in turn causes polar ice to melt at a faster rate. As the ice melts, sea levels rise, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems around the world. The effects of water pollution, from water scarcity to climate change and rising sea levels, underscore the urgent need for action. They paint a dire picture of a world where clean water is a luxury, not a given, where our climate is increasingly unstable, and where our coastlines are disappearing. But it's not all doom and gloom. These effects are alarming, but there are ways we can help prevent water pollution. It starts with each one of us making small changes in our daily lives, and together, we can make a big difference. We can all play a role in preventing water pollution. Here's how. Our first line of defense against water pollution is cleanliness. This isn't just about keeping our homes clean, but extends to our neighborhoods, cities, and ultimately, our planet. Organizing or participating in cleanliness campaigns can make a huge difference. By picking up litter in public spaces, we can prevent harmful pollutants from entering our water bodies. Remember, every piece of plastic or litter you pick up is one less item polluting our water. Next, let's talk about water conservation. It's simple. The less water we waste, the less dirty water ends up in our rivers and oceans. This can be as easy as turning off the tap while brushing your teeth or fixing leaky faucets promptly. On a larger scale, we can advocate for water-saving practices in our communities, such as rainwater harvesting and efficient irrigation methods in agriculture. Now, onto regular maintenance. This might seem like a strange one, but hear me out. Factories, power plants, farms, they all produce waste, and sometimes this waste ends up in our water. By ensuring regular maintenance and proper management of these industrial and agricultural units, we can minimize the leakage of harmful substances into our water bodies. This includes treating wastewater before it's discharged and using less harmful substances where possible. Finally, let's not forget the power of trees. Afforestation or tree planting is a powerful tool in the fight against water pollution. Trees act as natural filters, absorbing harmful pollutants from the soil before they can reach our water bodies. By planting more trees and taking care of existing ones, we can not only reduce water pollution, but also beautify our environment and combat climate change. Each of these measures is important, but their real power lies in their combination. Imagine a world where everyone picks up litter, conserves water, supports regular maintenance of industrial units, and plants trees. That's a world with significantly less water pollution, a cleaner, healthier world for us and future generations. And remember, preventing water pollution isn't just about the big gestures. It's about the small, everyday choices we make. The decision to pick up that piece of litter, the decision to fix that leaky faucet, the decision to plant that tree, these choices add up, and together they can make a significant impact. So let's start making those choices. Let's start making a difference. In our homes, our communities, our world. Because cleaner water means a healthier planet, and a healthier planet means a brighter future for all of us. By implementing these measures, we can make a significant difference in reducing water pollution. Water pollution is a serious issue, but together we can make a difference. As we've discussed in the earlier part of this video, the causes of water pollution are many and varied, from industrial runoff to urban development and agricultural practices. Each of these elements contributes to the degradation of our precious water resources, leading to dire consequences such as water scarcity, climate change, and rising sea levels. But rather than despair, let's focus on the actions we can take to combat this pressing issue. We explored several potent solutions that can help curb water pollution. Initiating cleanliness campaigns, for instance, is an effective way to reduce littering and plastic pollution. Imagine if every one of us made an effort to pick up just one piece of litter each day, how much cleaner our surroundings would be. Water conservation is another crucial step towards reducing water pollution. Small actions, like turning off the tap while brushing our teeth or fixing a leaky faucet, can go a long way in conserving water. Remember, every drop saved is a drop less polluted. Regular maintenance of industrial units and agricultural equipment can significantly reduce water pollution. This might seem out of our hands as individuals, but we can influence change by supporting businesses that prioritize environmentally friendly practices. Finally, never underestimate the power of trees. Afforestation and plant care can drastically reduce water pollution and enhance the beauty of our environment. Each tree planted is a living testament to our commitment to the environment. Now it's over to you. We've armed you with knowledge, and the rest is up to you. It's time to take action. It's time to be the change. So let's ask ourselves, what can I do today to contribute to a cleaner, healthier environment? How can I help reduce water pollution? Let's not wait for change to happen. Let's be the change. Remember, every action counts. No act of conservation, however small, is ever wasted. It's all those small actions combined that will create a massive impact. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this critical issue. If you found this video informative and helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to share this video to spread awareness. After all, the more people know, the more they can do. Remember, every action counts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video to spread awareness. Goodbye.